Today we're going to go over how to burn resin or tree sap. This is a common question that we get in our shop, so we figured we'd share. Resin is the blood of the tree and it has amazing cleansing, grounding, and healing properties. Today we're going to use frankincense, myrrh, dragon's blood, and copal, and we'll give you some of the benefits of each. We cleanse our hands with our Florida water soap to cleanse, protect, and attract good luck. Then we're going to light our coal until it sparks. Allow the spark to go through the entire coal, and then blow the coal into a fully lit. Once fully lit, you'll add your resin. You can use frankincense to drive away negativity, attract positive energy, purification, and visions. Myrrh for purification, grounding, and raising your space's vibration. When you combine it with frankincense, it's great for banishing and deep meditation. Copal clears blockages and promotes love, purity, and clarity. And last but not least, dragon's blood promotes love, drives away evil, rids low vibrations, and when you combine it with other incense, it increases their power, and it can also be sprinkled around your home for protection.